Hey everyone, today as soon as I open my SmartPlant 3D software, the error is coming that your license is expired. Key status, license key has expired. So I'm going to tell how to solve this error and install the new license key at free of cost. Let's see what we have to do. First we have to go to the machine ID. So type generate machine ID. Here we have to open that, and as soon as you open that generate machine ID, your previous key will be expired and new key will be installed. So we need this key, so click on the yes, and we have to give the output file name that you can do any name that I will give now SPLEYS, and we have to store that key to the one folder, any folder you can paste that folder we require, that key we require in the upcoming stage. So I save this file in my, I create one new folder here. So machine ID, I give the folder name, in that I will store my key. So I save that, click on the OK. Okay, so here you find machine ID was generated successfully and is located to this position. So we will see that stored in the required location or not. Let's check that. So I create one folder in this. Okay, so here you find the text message or machine keys stored here. We need this in upcoming stage. So I minimize that, click on the OK. Now what we have to do, just close that all tab, and we have to open this file, that is SmartPlant 3D software. Zip file is there. You can, if you want this file, you can message me on mail. I will reply there and send this file to you. So I double click on this file, and we have to put the password of this encrypted file. So 123 is my password. Click on the OK. As soon as you open that file, we have to open this folder, Integrated SmartPlant 3D Electrical 2015. Here the electrical is mentioned, but this is the overall software. All part, that piping structure, all is there, no issue with that. So we have to open this keygen, and here the two files are there. So first, one by one we have to open. So I will open this second file, double click on this. If the file is not open, then the Windows security error will come. Then we have this message come because we have the antivirus on. So we have to off that Windows security that is by default on in your in any laptop or PC. So we have to go to the security, Windows security, click on the open. Just we have to off that on. We have to go to this firewall and network protection, click on this network domain, and we have to off that Microsoft Defender firewall. Once you off your firewall, then we have to then click on this virus and threat protection and go to the virus and threat protection setting, minus setting. Here the real-time protection is on. We have to close that. Okay. Now what you have to do, after closing this real-time protection, then go to that our file. Now we will try to open this. Now it's working. The program required a security key. If you have one, select OK. So click on the OK. Here we have to copy this part, hardware fingerprint, and now we have to open this keygen.exe. Okay, so we have to paste that here, what we copy. Okay, so now we need this one, serial number. Just copy that and minimize this and open that. Okay, so we have to put this key here and give the name. What name you have to put here, whatever the name of your PC or whatever name you given, just copy that and paste there. So I copy this one and again go to this. Yeah, we have to play on these two files only. Okay, so let's keep in this mind. Now I put this name here. Okay, and click on the OK. Here you find the key is valid and has been stored. Click on the OK. Now what you have to do here, we require the machine ID. Okay, machine ID is what that we stored in the required folder. Earlier I tell you that we required a machine ID, so I created this folder and open that file. Here the machine ID is there. We have to copy this machine ID. Okay, and now we have to again go to that this file, not that we require this one. Okay, so here we have to put this machine ID, so I paste here, and again now what you have to do, just click on this SP3D and here we have to put 100 to each this 4, so just replace 0 with 100. These are the number of seats, so we put here 100. Now we have to click on done. Expiry time, so I give the time, these are the days, then after your software will be get expired. So I install this software for 365 days. You can give days to 1 to 735. Okay, any date you can give. So I give 365, so 1 year, and click on the generate. So here you find license key here showing the license key. We have to copy this all, or now, or what you have to do, just right click here and click on the select all and copy that this license file. Okay, you can exit also, no issue with that, just you press that, and now we have to open SmartPlant license manager. So here is the SmartPlant license manager. I open that, and now we have to click on this install and remove. Okay, select this, and now here the install license key we have to open, select, and here we have to paste that license key here that we copied. Okay, you click on the OK. Here you find the license key was successfully installed. If this message will come, your software license successfully installed for 1 year. Okay, click on the OK. Here also you find, just we have to wait. You can also close that, no issue with them. For checking whether your software is installed successfully or not, we have to go to the SmartPlant license manager once again. Click here, yes, and go to the display. Click on the OK, and here we have to click on the show key status. So here we will see the service life of our software increases to 10 June 2027, and service life is 367 days. Previously here showing that your license key is expired. So in this way you can install your software license key at free of cost. If you need this software, that is RAR file, you can mail me, I will share there. And also I already uploaded a 41 lecture on SmartPlant 3D. You can also see that, and if you like this video, you can subscribe also.